Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on the other side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, we are done our Boracay vacation and now we are heading to Bacolod City guys. So guys, are you ready for another road trip? Another room tour dito sa Bacolod City? So guys, what are we waiting for? Happy watching!
We are now going to Caticlan Jetty Port from Cagpan Jetty Port. From there, we will be picked up by a van to bring us to the Iloilo Ferry Wharf. This time, we purchased a pick-up from our Boracay hotel to ferry to Caticlan Ferry transfer by a cloak. Since my mom and my dad will not come with us to Bacolod, we will drop off them first at the Caticlan airport before we heading our road trip to Iloilo Ferry Wharf. After 4 hours and 40 minutes road trip from Caticlan, we are here at the Iloilo Ferry Wharf and queuing to buy ferry tickets. We decide to get a business class since we love our own spaces, plus a TV screen and an AC. Upon purchase of ticket, you need to present the following. Number 1 is identification card or the valid ID, and the vaccination card must be fully vaccinated. After we purchased the tickets, we headed to the X-ray machines for check bags or luggage, and now we are at the waiting area of the port.
So we are waiting for our record. I'm not sure which gate, but we're still here. 2:30. And then
after waiting for a few minutes, we are now sitting on our business class and heading to Bacolod.
Hi guys! Mabuhay! Good afternoon people of the universe. So ngayon magki-quick tour tayo kasi we are in Bacolod. So guys, after Boracay, we are head to Bacolod. Yes! So now I'm going to do a quick room tour. So first, nandito tayo sa SEDA sa hotel, sa Capitol guys. So, danan! So that's Jax. Yeah! So here, so nakita niyo yung main door natin guys here. So we have switches over here. So we have this door here. So what's in the door? Let me check. So here guys, makita nyo ang common toilet. So bath and toilet guys. So we have the toilet, we have the shower there, the head shower. Ayan. So I think we have also a shower guys. Ayan. Decent shower. We have the body wash over here and the shampoo and conditioner na hindi mawawala sa mga hotel. So anyways, makikita nyo, we have the pasalubong over here. We have the here too. And we have the body lotion over here. We have the vanity kit, of course. We have the decent sink. We have 2 glass and a soap for hand wash and a tissue and then a big mirror over here guys. So it's a decent one, nakikita nyo. And we have a intercom, a toilet tissue, a bin and a bidet. So we have a 2 towels hand towels. So over here, we are on the right corner. You see here, there's a cabinet over here. So it's a decent size of cabinet. Of course, we will check the bottom first before the top. So this is the empty cabinet, and we have a two tongs over here. We have the hair dryer on this layer. We have the safety box. You put your important documents, passport, money, and other important things. So we have a 5 hangers here, so a decent hanger then rack. We have the laundry bag over here, and the laundry list over there, and then a decent one. And over here you can see the mini bar. So it's a personal bar, personal fridge. So it's a very small cute fridge over here. And you can see on the top we have a 2 mugs, 1 spoon, kasi nga dalawa kami ni Drax. We have of course, the creamer, the coffee, the sugar, and the tea. Pag nabusog. And we have the free water over here. 2 free bottled water. It's a complimentary drink. We have the glass here. We have the kettle, of course, switches again, and a outlet. So anyways, we have the luggage rack, and we have a cute size LCD TV that is mounting in the wall. So you can see here the office table on this side, which has a what you call that one, chair, a desk, matigas na desk, and details here, a pen, a list for the dinner and lunch menu on the SEDA Hotel. So SEDA Capital Central Hotel, guys, dito sa Bacolod. We have the details over here, and then our room is a non-smoke free. So hindi ka pwede mag-smoke kasi magkakaroon ka ng penalty. So we have a detail outlet here. If you have a codes here, you have a saksakan there, switches, and then a decent lamp. This is a fancy lamp over here. Okay, so we have the mirrors, good size of mirror, and over here on my left you can see the curtain. So we have a full view. When you open this, of course, nakita niyo na siya kanina, guys. We have a view here. So this is our full view from our window, people of the universe. You can see there's a lot of buildings. There's some buildings here, but not totally like an industrial place, guys. If you've been in Bacolod, or if you have a place in Bacolod. So ayan, we have a deluxe bed, guys. So we have 2, 1 for me and 1 for Jax. Yes! So we have the middle bedside table, only 1. We have 2 bedside lamp. We have 2 frames over there. So it's a decent room. You can see here, guys. It's a good room, and I will check if it's very soft. Yeah, it's soft, guys. 110%. So that's the AC on the back, the fire alarm. So yes! The AC controller over here. So ayun na nga, guys. Bulaga! So ayun na muna, guys, ang ating quick room tour dito sa ating Bacolod. This is not our first day, because this is like a half day of our Bacolod. We just arrived here, guys, from Boracay. And if you haven't yet checked my updated sa aking mga videos, kasi nga nahirapan ako mag-edit, guys, kasi palagi kaming umaalis. So I'm still like working out my videos to upload, to edit, so I can share with each people of the universe. And I miss you all. So mamaya ulit, guys. So ngayon, magpapak muna ako ng aming mga gamit. So nakita nyo ang ating mga gamit, guys. So mamaya ulit, guys. So that's it, guys. That's our road trip from Boracay Island to Bacolod City, guys. So nakita nyo, guys, we did the road trip. So hindi tayo sumakay ng airplane this time. So nakita nyo ganina from the Cagban Jetty Port to Caticlan Jetty Port, guys. Nakita nyo, sumakay tayo ng ferry pabalik again. And then, we just drop off my parents from Caticlan Airport, guys. Caticlan International Airport, guys. So, hindi kasi sila kasama. So, kami lang ni Jax, ako, si ate, si sister, kami lang ang pumunta ng Bacolod City. So, we hire a van. So, the van costs, I think, 5,000. I think 5,000 or 6,000. I'm not sure, guys. So, I forgot already. But anyways, it took us to Iloilo Ferry Wharf. Doon kami sumakay ng aming ferry papunta ng Bacolod City. So, Bacolod City is a northwest of Negros Occidental. So, sa baba siya. If you will see in the map here, nakita nyo from the Malay, bumaba tayo papuntang Iloilo. And then, Iloilo going to Bacolod. So, nakita nyo guys yung ating road trip kanina. Wala lang akong video ng road trip talaga. Pero, nandun lang kami sa my boat. And then, after 4 hours and 14 minutes of driving sa ating road trip, and we reached the Iloilo Jetty Wharf or the Ferry Wharf, guys. So, nakita nyo guys, they have a station there. You need to buy tickets. And they also have some companies, if you want a fast track, if you have a normal ferry, or it takes too long. So, nakita, ang kinuha namin, so we decided to get a fast ferry, guys. So, nakita nyo, bago kayo mag-purchase na ticket na sinabi ko kanina, you need to show your valid ID and your proof of vaccination if you're vaccinated, guys. So, you need to give them your fully vax card. So, anyways, nakita nyo. And then, there's also 3 choices for a non-air condition, air condition for tourists, and a business class. So, 550 for the non-aircon, 500 for the non-aircon, 550 for the air condition, and 800 for the business class. So we love our own space, so we prefer to get the business class since it's 800 peso, and I will put the conversion here, somewhere here, guys, and you can check it out. Depends on the price vary. So anyways, guys, nakita nyo ang ating room tour dito sa SEDA Hotel dito sa downtown ng Bacolod City. So we are here for 6 days and 5 nights because nakita nyo si Ate Jane is from Bacolod City. So sister is first time here, my first time here, and Jack's first time also in Bacolod. So hindi kami nakapunta dito sa Bacolod before. So this is our first time, and we are going to do a tourist attraction in Bacolod for my next video, guys. So guys, that's the end of our road trip from Boracay, Iloilo, and Bacolod for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching, and sorry sa aking boses, my voice, guys. I had a concert, so nag-iiba. I got a runny nose. So meron akong runny nose now, kaya nag-iiba ang ating boses, nagiging male version. So anyway, that's the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoy watching, you learned something today. Plus, you had fun for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting my videos. And mega love shout out to each wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart po. Talamos, please like if you did enjoy my video for today. And please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po. See you and I see you on my next one. Bye bye, guys. Be good. You take care. Be safe. And mwah. Ciao.